Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you how to send money from PayPal to Wise account. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to send money from your PayPal account directly to a Wise account, so maybe yours or someone else, well, this one is going to be kind of easy, but there are a few steps that you need to do. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to set up a few things in your PayPal account. So you want to go ahead and just go to paypal.com, log in into your account, go to wallet, and you want to go and choose the link a bank. Now, once you've chosen that, it's going to ask you the following details. So you have bank name, bank code, or account number. Now, if you want to link a US bank instead, you can go and choose the link a US bank instead. And from then on, choose either checkings or saving. Now, also, you need to provide the routing number and account number. Now, where do you find this exactly inside your Wise account? Now, once you are inside your Wise account here, if you log in, you should see your main account. Now, in your main account here, you want to go and choose the bank account that you may want to go ahead and just add this into your PayPal. So, as example, I'm going to choose the US bank account I currently have right now. Now, on the next page, what you need to do is you want to go and choose the option that says account details, usually at the very top here. So, go and click on it. Now, once you've done that, typically you should be able to see a bunch of details about your account. So that's the bank code, the account number. So it depends on what currency that you want to add in here. So this is just an example. Obviously, you can go ahead and basically choose or like copy your information here. Now, once you've copied the information here, you want to head over back into your PayPal account. Now, again, you want to provide the exact details that you saw before. Now, from here, once you've added the bank name, bank code, account number, or if you're linking a US bank instead, you can go and click on link your bank. Now, once you've done that, typically they will ask you to go back into PayPal after 2 to 3 days because it's going to take like 2 to 3 days in order for people to fully link your or confirm your bank account. But after 2 to 3 days, typically if you go back into your Wise account, and you go inside your transactions here, you'll notice a transaction here that says PayPal. Now, in here, you should see the name PayPal and also a code alongside it. So you want to go and copy the code that you are seeing there, and you want to head over back into PayPal. And by the way, they would deduct around like $1 to $2 from your account for the transaction. But when you head over back into your PayPal account and choose your bank account that is added in here and enter the code that you got before to basically confirm your bank account and click on confirm, typically that would confirm that your bank account is fully linked. So you just need to copy that code and you're pretty much good to go. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.